Okay guys, so a few weeks back my sister told me that she got some really weird email notifications about her Instagram account, and then she tried to log in but she couldn't. So someone changed her password and someone also changed her email address. And then she went on the support center of Instagram, but they just tell you like use password reset and we will send you a new password to your mail address. But if she does so, then this will just send the new password to the hacker's account. So this doesn't help her. And she asked me what can I do. So I told her contact the Instagram support and also contact Facebook support, because Instagram is now a part of Facebook and maybe they can help you. And it was actually really hard to get those email addresses. But when she had them and told them her problem, she just got those really crappy automated email messages like this one. So what can she do? So I started to research on Google and I saw all these people having lost their Instagram account and no solution whatsoever. But on one page I read that they changed the app in late 2018, and before you had a real support in the app and now you just have this crappy support center. So that got me thinking and brought up the solution, which I will show you in a few moments. But one last thing, if you're an iPhone user, you have to ask an Android user for help. So I'm really sorry that you bought an iPhone. You should get a better phone, which is an Android phone, but you can still use the tutorial. Just get an Android user to help you and you will get your Instagram account back in no time. So let's get to work. Okay guys, so let's start with the real tutorial. First you have to uninstall Instagram. And when this is finished, you just open Chrome and go to apkmirror.com, and there you have to search for Instagram, because we need to install an older version of Instagram. Now you scroll all the way down to page 1, next, click on next, and then you change the link in the top. I changed to page 19. You choose March 13 version, and then we go all the way down. We don't use available APKs, but very end, and you click on that. Now we have to scroll down again to download APK, and I'm scrolling down, but this started anyways. We just press on download and you have to wait a few seconds and then open it. Now there's a Chrome pop-up window which says, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. But we need to allow this, so we go on settings and allow it. Now we install Instagram. As you can see now, you got the old Instagram login. So now what you gotta do is you go on login, then on get help signing in, then on use username or email, and then you just type in your account. And you can feel free to hit me up on Instagram and give me a follow if you like. And now one last time on need more help. And there you go. You got the old screen where you can choose that your Instagram account was hacked and tell them what is needed. So you should tell them what was your old account, what's your email address, and maybe if you know it, what's the new name of your Instagram account in case they changed it. Okay, so now you go on settings, apps and notifications, app info, and there you choose Chrome, because we still have to enable unknown apps, and that's it. Now just follow the Instagram instructions. They will write you an email and tell you to make a photo showing up a piece of paper with a number and your face and your name and email address, and then you will get it back. So I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want more, and yeah, leave me a comment if there's anything that you don't understand. See you later.